how to fix your Upside app not working. So let's say it's usually not working since it's caused by connection issues or maybe outdated app versions or account glitches. So first we'll go ahead and check your internet connection. Of course, this is one of the main things you're gonna have to check, since it could be because of the unstable network connection. It could switch between Wi-Fi or maybe data or different kinds of internet to see if it solves the issue. But if not, you can go ahead directly to your Play Store or wherever you got the Upside app, and then make sure it's on the latest version. And other than that, if it still doesn't work, you can go ahead to your device's settings, like so, and then you could search for your apps here in your search settings. You can search for it directly, or you could find the Upside app manually. In our case, we're just gonna go ahead and search for it, and then we're gonna look for our Upside app either by scrolling down, or we could just go ahead and search for it again, like so, Upside, and then we're gonna go ahead to the bottom right corner, press on clear data, and then clear cache. If you press on clear all data, it will log you out, but as long as you have your credentials, you'll be able to log right back in. And also make sure your phone's date, time, and location services are enabled, as Upside will rely on accurate location to show offers and process cashback. So on your Upside, go ahead and allow those permissions, specifically your location. And if you don't do that, it may just lag. And if the problem continues, you can log out and back into your account and then refresh your session. You can also try resetting your password to fix login related bugs. Check if Upside servers are down by visiting their official support or social pages, since outages can temporarily block access, and if specific features like claiming offers or scanning receipts fail, or ensure permissions like the camera or location are allowed in your device settings, which we already mentioned. And as a last resort, you could do is to just contact Upside support through the app itself or your website. But those are a few options you have if your Upside app isn't working. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.